Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get exclusive deals in the last minute using the Hopper app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Hopper app. Then if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the stay the night option where you can find exclusive deals on last minute stays near your location. You can, as you can see right now, I'm in Bucharest, so it says Bucharest, but it shows us a few cities near Bucharest, and I can just tap on one of them and it's going to show me a few very good deals for the last minute for tonight. As you can see, the original price is 482 Romanian currency, which is around $120, and the new price is 350. So as you can see, there are a few choices that I could rent for very cheap. For example, this one is really cheap, and then you can open it and you can make a reservation for this price, which is a very cool thing. You can tap on the top, you can see different cities, and you can get offers for all these different cities and hotels. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.